Hi Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are all doing well and have a smile on your face. On today's menu, we have some fried fish in coconut milk, spaghetti salad, stir-fried vegetables, and avocado. These are the ingredients I'll be using. First, I'm going to start off by putting my spaghetti to cook because I'm gonna need it to cool to make my spaghetti salad. So I'm breaking my spaghetti in two. And dashing them in, not a pot. Next, let's pour some oil to fry our fish. But first, add 2 cloves of garlic. Add our fish to the pan. Now guys, one of the ways to prevent or to lessen the oil popping when you put the fish in the pan is to dry your fish after you clean them up and wash them. Dry them off with a piece of napkin or paper towel, and then you add your seasonings. Let the fish fry until golden on each side, and then you turn. I said the struggle did real for turn that one year because I really don't want it. I don't want this fork touch the bottom of my pot. Okay, they're all done. I say, man, the struggle was real using this fork to take out the fish because I didn't want to scratch the bottom of my pot. I've searched high and low for some fork that can be used in non-stick pan, but I haven't found any. I guess I need to go on Amazon. Here are my fishes, all golden and brown. So I go prepare my vegetables for my stir fry. So yeah, I go just cut up some pak choy. Because veggies are important. Strip up some carrots. Whichever way you want cut up your vegetable them, you can do it. But yeah, this is how I do it. And prepare some broccoli to add to it as well. So I'm just going to cut off the bottom part, the tough part down this, the root of the broccoli. Here, just cut off any excess. All done. So I poured out the excess oil that was in the pot for frying the fish. And in the same pot, I'm going to prepare my nice up coconut sauce to put my fish in. So add your chopped onions and sweet pepper, dried thyme, and some of your seasoning that you had used to season the fish. And combine everything. Now what I'm going to do is only pour a little bit of the coconut water in the pot. But what you need is that nice creamy part. So take off the top creamy part of the coconut milk and mix up everything and allow it to boil down. See the difference? Only I cook for a little bit. Add some salt. And mix it up and leave it to cook down. After about 5 minutes, I go and stir it, and just to check and make sure so the consistency right, and may I get it to the desired consistency that I need. And which see now it look nice and creamy. So yeah, me I gotta add my fish because now it look more thick instead of the runny consistency. So yeah, add your little fishies and take up some of the coconut milk and pour over the fish. Be sure to put it on all the fish them. Add some black pepper and just leave it for go and simmer down and thing, Now let's work on our macaroni or spaghetti salad. Here I'm adding the onion and sweet peppers that hubby minced up for me. Then I'll add some mayonnaise and about 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar and combine all the ingredients. Could I maybe use a fork for make it easier, but I want to make sure so I'm not break up the spaghetti. Okay, I'm adding more mayonnaise because as I combine everything, I see that it's not to my liking and it needs more. So yeah, add some more and stir it up. Nice it up with some sweet corn, green peas, and add about 1 teaspoon of black pepper and mix up everybody. Let me go check on my fish. Yes, fish, come through. And guys, the smell. Woo! Ooh, ooh, ooh. This looks so good. Here is my finish spaghetti salad, looking so delish. Yes, fish. Stir and fry in time. Add your good old faithful Mr. Sweet peppers and onion. Dash in about a tablespoon of minced garlic and some thyme. And stir it up. And you guys know the usual. Let it saute for about 2 minutes or so, just to kick through the aroma. Now add your pak choy and carrot mix to the pot. Then add your broccoli. Now try combine everything. Mix them up, mix them up. Add some salt and stir it up again. Add some all-purpose seasoning or vegetable seasoning if that's what you have. Add some black pepper and stir. Your fire should be on high for all this time. Make sure it turn right up. Bucket, me say bucket. Because we don't want the water get in the bottom of the pot. This is not meet me by the river. Now what I'm going to do is to cover the pot, but only for 1 minute. And the only reason why I'm doing this is because the broccoli is in it. And it takes a little bit longer to cook than the pak choi and carrot. So remember guys, only 1 minute. After the 1 minute, you stir it up and cover it again for another minute. Now here we are. Yes, all done. And still nice and crunchy, and everybody is nicely cooked. And Vibes fam, see we finished product, yeah. Lord, me wish me coulda share. I honestly do. Uni no see a beer magla we have pan we plate. Come through me spaghetti salad. Yes. Alright, now Miss Coconut Fish. Easy yourself. Easy, 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 easy. Nobody hurt we up. Easy. Just go easy. I use a creamy and nice looking. Avocado, yes. I use a skin nice and clean. We know say you used to drink up your bitters when you did little, yeah? Ooh. And yes, crunchy body stir fry veg. I use a multicolor. Yes, fish. Fish, you looks good. You looks good. Yes, Sunday dinner you're gonna lead looking so delicious. Guys, let me know if this is one of the recipe that you're willing to try. Thanks so much for watching and spending time with me. It's greatly appreciated. I don't take it lightly. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. God bless you.